Ellis, wake up.
What?
There's a noise coming from downstairs.
So?
So? There's someone downstairs.
What do you want me to do about it?
Be a man and go check it out.
Be a man. It's 4 a.m. and I have work in the morning.
And?
Gabby, I promise you, there's nothing downstairs.
You hear that?
No?
Ellis!
Fine, but if I die, I hope you be happy.
I'll be happy when you go downstairs. Where are you going?
Where do you think?
What, just like that? No weapon, no nothing?
I'll be fine. I follow Braundy Fitness.
No, I really think you should take something.
Fine.
What's that?
Kylo Ren's lightsaber, babe.
Put that down. Besides, everyone knows that Kylo Ren is a whiny Vader fangirl that got worse when he took his mask off.
No. Just no. Okay. Hello? Is there someone down here? If there is, come out before I, kill your face. Oh crap.
What happened? I heard a whole lot of banging and grunting.
I just helped a 7-foot burglar move all of our stuff into his van.
What?
To be honest, I don't want to talk about it. My arms hurt and my arse hurts, and all I want to do is go to sleep. Good night. Yes, you heard me. Good night.